we are on a Lagoon 42. They are the most comfortable
Yep. Good here.
A hard gig for you guys. How do you do it?
Are you ready to go to Mopion Island?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go.
Oh, you're going to.
Fishing rod, that's a great idea.
Woo! Doing the housework for us.
Look at this beautiful.
See.
Awesome.
Well, you can sit here and watch that.
No, they'll jump at the opportunity.
Okay, so today we are on a Lagoon 42. They are the most comfortable. They're pretty much the most comfortable boat going around, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're not the quickest in the world, but
we're meant to find that out today.
yeah, well, that's right. Who knows? Maybe it might pull 10 knots.
But I mean, you're here, so you might weight the boat down a little bit.
The boat might go like 3 knots faster with me here, you know, just trimming the sails to perfection.
Very excited. I'm very excited that everyone came and we're doing this together, exploring this little beautiful island or sandbank.
It's almost a whole convoy is going to converge on this boat, isn't it? There'll be at least, what do you think, 15, 20 of us?
Yeah.
So,
My first time sailing a cat.
yeah.
Very exciting stuff.
Yeah, I think it's one of my first times as well. So we'll see how it feels, how it handles.
Yeah.
We'll show you our favourite part of the boat, or Isabel's favourite part. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Oh, Leo just...
Leo's up there. There's a bed on the roof just here, and we are in love. We are in love. We need a bed up high
We do.
on our cat,
Yeah.
and we get one.
This is also me. Yep. I'm good here.
They're sitting on
Right.
We need to get some work done.
Also, you know, it's more than.
This is where you spend your time, yeah?
Yeah, of course.
Being our first sail on a different boat from Merewether, I was eager to see the different systems on this very popular Lagoon 42. All helping out, we discovered how the boat hoisted its spinnaker, getting ready for our downwind sail. Leo, how is it being on a catamaran?
Good.
Yeah?
Feels big.
I like how you can kind of like stand up here and like look over everything, you know?
Yeah.
Doesn't that feel good?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Feels real good.
Sexy boat that is. Yes! Dinner! Yay! Yay!
Just showing off. You're just saying I'm the big one. It's the same one.
Blake,
Yeah.
what are we going to catch today? Blue marlin or
Maybe a few blue whales.
blue whales?
Yeah.
Geez, I think you're going to need a bigger rod.
No, I think this is big enough.
Alright.
You bring it on top, then with the stump. Yeah, after, and it's this one, you give it like 4, and you can do it.
With all the negatives of COVID-19, one positive was the community we had built up over the 3 months being locked down in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. With lockdowns slowly opening all around the Caribbean, it was an awesome experience for all of our convoy to sail the one vessel to Mopion Island.
so helpful.
Electric winch. Oh, first experience with an electric winch. That's a dangerous thing. Upgrade Merewether or just upgrade the whole boat?
50 degrees would be better.
Yeah. It's not just,
You feel it, boy.
just getting a feel for the boat.
Yeah, you feel it.
And it doesn't turn as fast as our one,
No.
which will take a while to get used to.
Get a fish? Oh, caught something.
Oh, that was
Yeah.
This is the spot.
Chilling.
It's a hard gig for you guys. How do you do it? Where's the barman? Where's the bartender? Yeah. So where are we, Captain?
Almost at Mopion.
Mopion Island. Tell me how it's sail.
Smooth.
Smooth?
Yeah, very comfortable.
Wasn't a big lean. I felt like there's no, actually I felt no lean whatsoever.
There was a bump at one point.
Little bump, I think once. That's about it.
Whoa!
Living life on the ocean and always moving from place to place, we had never had a sense of community like we had around us now. And we were going to enjoy the last couple of weeks of lockdown in our second home, the Grenadines.